Wega muno nido wa guthina mbere guikarana na thini wa studio ndakwira guku thini wa studio twina mugeni ugutwo James Mwangi ni ward admin kuria ward ya Comarox na Mwangi ari na thina wa kuona ndonagona hanini na akoretwo akirutaniria muturire wake na ndandikiro wira wa ward admin ati tondu ni ule kwira wati ni twina kanya ka mundu wina wathe andikirwo kana hiro ira wa admin nido wa apply otoreo apply wewe na maitho kana wero na ndathira andu haragutura na kiheo wira ucio endo ni mwajiti gutuma ndumiriri njega cia kumwendiria mahinda mega ta mundu ogwitwo wa Sabiku Majoro ni ndakuona mundu ogwitwo Kamau wa Murera we kuria Darasha mundu geranjira ati we negwa ahutio ni rugano rwa mundu ucio araiga ati we ateire ritho rimwe kana ritho rikari mwe riorire agia na mutino wa farafara miaka 5 hindira na miaka 5 no agi na mbere na kwiyumiriria ugiakajira ati etagwo Joan Shikigwa araiga ati we negwa ahutio ni rugano ruru ati we ena maitho moke mothe na ni aremetwo nginya ni guthoma ciri ndumiriri mwe iria mundu atuma kugerera namba itu SMS ya kuthini wa studio iria ni 22488 kedona kumuna wa Facebook ara mandikite kugera page ya kwa mundu gutwo magidira ngora igani ndahotwo nikio kia mwana kecio na wendi wake wa githomo ngera thino mutumia ucio uramwitikirire ona ari uguo ahana Jacinta Ndungu akaiga twina you have a wonderful guest so encouraging na to the others in the street begging at because they are blind tell the guest to give them one word kana adore ama tidaga kule taunine mena tufakuri makihoya atondo mena wathe wa kuona amiatia mugeni witu agimera muthenya wa umuthi tukinyetie haria ha uhoro wa gufamilita turenda guthoma kira tumangi na wende kugia na PhD nigetha hote guthoma maundu kana policy handu hagituo maundu megie andu mena wathe okameraga ehe haha rugamirai haha tigethio nie ndi na wathe na ndi muthomu na ndi na policy ta icio murathondeka no nginya tuthigiriria andu aya wajira kundu ta mali andu ni mateithikaga na South Africa tuhe scenario cia kundu ta mali na South Africa nikigothiaga undu tungia tulita a Kenya
eu kede geda at least kona thirikari ya Kenya gikare hado hagutida tukiheo tuge maundu tamaya ma grants in fact kendo kia bere kire igenda gucokeria ngatho ni mutongoria witu wa bururi ena ngoro ya guteithia andu mena mawathe no I don't know if he has advisors andu magimutariria wega uria to get involved or kana to form industries odoria to get iviado mena mawathe
hado hakoya go biari makoro meno durare hebesa o hidio
amotogori witu ni motogori wa fatato ndwari ni WA president WA minister of finance na he has been all supportive in fact haria ginyetere kwe maundu maria benefitaga tondu wake in terms of tax relief ni dirihaga igoti na maundu mako register company 30% sigathie kwe andu women people with disability and youth o ni mundu urona ena ngoro ya guteithia andu na nie kirengenda kumwira ni ati he's a role model at least he's somebody that will emulate at all times due to his humility, compassion and sacrifice but tugishoka hau hado aria tuge or formulation of industries woku uri kwina makabuni maria mabiririo tuge for example manufacture of Peugeot cars kwina manufacturing of Volkswagen plants ugethie kundu ta Germany re let's say for example company shidondeka Mercedes re there are people who are totally blind and then they conveyor belts around the manufacturing plants of Germany kwina andu matonaga ona hanini
no ni muhewira ku
but ni muhewira company cia German idondeka German machines ogethie kundu ta South Africa re maratathi matuonaga ma wrapping papers tumeka gift papers cia iheo maratathi macio makoragwo manufacture ni andu mataonaga and we call them cottage or village industries maratathi macio gutiri kundu matendagia ogethie kundu ta mali re coka oria mwarimu ahuthagira ri ukoragwo uthondeketwo ni andu mena mawathe wa visual impairment koguo no tuthondeke industries guku Kenya oko twina andu let's say tumete andu visionary atongoria magi direct andu mena visual impairment coming up with policies and let's say visions that can incorporate people with disability. Now niye jiteketie ona andu makorago fara ineri to bring up somebody with visual impairment is so costly ti kaodo kahudo ne investment aciari makorago magika in terms of even the medical it is a bit tasking tu aria mahoya besha na guku jari ti othe mena uhoti wa guthoma no kwe aria mena uhoti no makaenda guku kuhuthira njira iria itagirira cia kugia besha no uria njitikitie ri kindu ngenda kuga people with disability makoragwo me minority meaning all of them no mahoto kwa incorporate handu hamwe and I believe niye njitikitie magirwo gukorwo institutions ithatu magiganio wega magirwo gukorwo institution ithatu institution ya mbere mundu wothe ena wathiri kagirwo gukorwo cukuru oko ndari cukuru ri thirikari yagirwo kumuhe wira oko ni mundu athomete because katiba itu ina provision ya kuga at least 5% at least of 5% ni tuge ni the least required amount area let's say for example an institution like Nairobi County Government oko ni marandika ando tuge kendo ya ando igana rimwe ando atano magirwo korome na mawathe no thirikari ici twina cio ri let's say for example the national and the county governments gutire most of them they have not incorporated such ideas koguo kwe na mweke wa incorporate ando acio institution ine cia thirikari koguo oko mundu ucio ndari cukuru ri agirwo gukorwo wira oko ndari wira ri tondu kwina andu aria tuga andu a cerebral palsy andu acio matingihota gwikira kaundu na meturere yao ikoragwo emerito but under the directive of the president to have a universal healthcare magirwo gukorwo me incorporated nigetha makahota at least aciario magakorwo me relieved in terms of paying for their medical bills todo makora aciario makoragwo me exhausted mundu uyo no ni agirwo guthia acarie mbeca godagitiga mwana ucio hau todo ni arani tuge kindu ta special attention riu thirikari oko ne hote kumwaura murigo wa medical cover through the NHIF cover no ko iteithitie andu acio muno hai
na kira dona bege ginya marandika andu mili maraiga atiriri ni marenda andu makoro mahana tawe mundu akigadaga tuko guteithia rende tukuthondekerwo gacira na kinyanĩria kiroto kire nakio uguo niguo mungenda muri tandura mena wathe korona muthondekero gacira kahuthahuthie tondu we ndirakiona ikinya ndiramenya hau hangi uri hahana tani hau niho igienda gutitithia thirikari egeri guteithia andu aya na aria mathomete kana mena mweke ucio wa guteithia ri tugaga mathomo maya mothe tuthomete ri guti oko ndu kuhota gucia kana guteithĩrĩria mundu ngiri mathomo macio matire fata tugaga education is for the society riu tani ngoragwo nginyita andu ere kana atatu tariu kwe andu aria mentaga ta mundu tuge ta Maina ucio ni wakayole the other people like the likes of Paul kamateithĩrĩria kuhingura kambuni kama gamatemera gacira tariu mundu ta Mainari the other day like 3 months ago he got a tender with the Kenya Defence Force around a tender of around 700,000 riu handu hakuhe mundu mbeca ucio ri kabomoni ejira nigetha hote gwiteithia ni mundu e wheelchair ine he is physically able he is physically disabled na mundu ta Paul donaga onake ni arageire tender kwa Defence Force
na njira kumateithia nie ndimeraga uti umundu nguhe mbeca ciako watane guteithĩria uria kuona mbeca ciaku wagia mbeca ciaku ri hau hange no etwarithi
alkagura andu marakira. Thank you very much for your hard work. Ni wale rotini ndirerwo only your former colleague ward administrator Karen Catherine Wairimo rato dikira araiga it's my daughter and she talks of your high integrity and hard work. Nito baba Catherine oni musheri wa umwe mwarutaga nake wira your former kogo gusenya tikira ukorwe ward administrator Karen.
In fact she's a good lady and she also pursued, I think she's also doing a PhD in Chuka University. Atigire horo wa ward admin agethie Chuka University go college kogwo other than kuongerera mathomo ri ni muru she's a lecturer there so and she's a young girl also who also encourages me. Those are the people I like competing with. Yes. Thanks Catherine.
Ni akana mono ni papa mono kwa jawa gutumira message yo ugira jira etago Susan ni duku korago interpreter kogwo ono ni adira na ando alema mekagate araiga atiriri Mr. Mwangi ni a great thinker kuligana rego kiaria na kayulete can the national government consider using such great mind and bring development to our country kana heodo thirikari ngata kuhudira hakirisha mwena cio tondu kugatu mundu na watho waku na kale na wale tukua ati hakirisha kanini kana mwecirie kana monera wakwa maundu ni tofauti na wadu ali angi.
Exactly. Nyenye daga gahe opportunity regardless of who you are nie tugisemania na were eka uduka hulu tuge oni igno but
okwedu mamoigino wagai.
Yes. A lot of people who ignore
discrimination yeliokuo
discrimination de githira todo the society they are not mainstreamed that is the right word matire na umenyo sho wa gwikara na mando andu mena mawathe no maisha kana mutu reno mwaka uthie na mbere ona no discrimination ikoragwo njuru todo wahota guthie stage handu wakora gikundi kia andu hau tuge andu tatandatu kana tuge andu 10 maga kwaririria wi hau na ni uraigwa no todo doramona ri now there is no need of confronting them for no good reason.
Ni hora bisha andu ale maragia uru ni makoma hana ate ugerio kuligana bisha ku ya mind mundu acio maragiriria andu na ugio mahana take
advertise your jugaga they are the people who are not sensitized in the society or a picture yao or yamenya we say little knowledge is dangerous umodo ucio ko dare knowledge kana information ya domena mawathere ndungitindanagira nake no mundu wire ucio ne gigutura tondu niwe no bado ni ara discriminate no aya again tondu majority of them matiwe maudo makonye na disability re maudo ni ya na mbere muturire wake na at least gai ni gai kamweke kana nisho jokagiria gai gamo tondu ni haire ngoro wako kurekera andu ihenya no jigo kejaririria hau ndagika imwe thutha ndagika ithano na kaundu kaudi gukorwo ngigaririkana ringi
haya mundu rajira tirire na ni umucokerie tawo Miriam kuma kundu gitao Kisii we nionaga no ni athomete braille na sign language na akoria tiriri ni level iko ya braille mundu atuka ni akinya the highest tutire curriculum jega ya braille I think currently kuna research tureka na mundu etagwo Dr. Chomba. Dr. Chomba also she's totally blind. He's a postgraduate coordinator in Kenyatta University. Ene yorogamerire uhoro wa thesis ciothe na dissertation cia PhD gitengo kia special education na kwina research andikite uhoro wa braille efficiency, braille profession and professionalism and efficiency. Maundu macio ni mo turauga riu tugeka research nigetha tukahota guteithiriria curriculum ya Kenya as far as issues of braille are concerned. But kwina institution igiretie tuge institution takise Kenya Institute for the Blind emageragia no level area makinyete it is at a certificate level. We don't have a diploma in braille. Yes. ne gucira tukirekereria ni goda waririe mundu hiyo raigwa kwite ngoro au hari ari muci kuria arakwirorera ni raigwa kwite ngoro kaigwa tatai na hinya mumiririe
eroriria Inooro TV re ni jugaga muturire ni uria wiciragia your future is in your brain ugeciria ndukuhota gwika maundu ri gutihindi ugeka but the moment you empower your brain kwe kindu twitaga intrinsic motivation kwehe hinya kuma na guku thiini ukimenya gutiri mundu ungiuga guguteithia maundu mako kiria wagirwo ni kwehe encouragement uko ni urahota guthoma uko ni urahota kuhuthira talanta yaku wega huthira tondu kwina andu tuge ta deaf andu acio aigia otia thomu no demo maundu maya magutumari tuge tailoring they are very good and professional tailors how do you empower such people who are deaf tondu ni ndramenya andu ta Susan Mbuku mena gikundi kia andu me deaf these are people who should get tenders from the government. Let's say for example thigari itiagirwo kugurirwo uniform ku murimo tenda cia uniform cia thirikari cia county government officers andu aya tuge court laboratory courts andu aya no mahingiro kihanda tuge handu ta IPZ maheo mathomo maria marendekana magia mathomo le tuge those are vocational training skills magia mathomo maciole the government can be giving them such tenders and they empower themselves as a society.
Thank you muno nido wa gutikira guka Mr. na ndona magwitaga Jimmy kole ya kwanyu ndio magwitaga Jimmy no Jimmy ati kwira ndumara kire kia mwisho director njabede muri kire kirio haha ati kwira ndumara huthira maratathi ma andu aria mena mawathe magathi ko apply maira gwa thirikari na makaheo
kwena maundu ta macio
mundu ndai na wathe akahuthira maratathi ta maku nathi aka apply shimle
leu haria tuge maratathi ri hau ha ko apply wira ri hau digwite no haria juiri ni tuge yorenda kambuni weta tuge githiji na nduri wathe na ni we thirikari irahe andu mena mawathe priority you we
special category pede
exactly you we ugathi ugacaria mundu na disability ukaregister kambuni ya disabled no nduri disabled beje icio kone milioni imwe ronari mundu wina disability wa mwikia ngiri 50 ugatigana na 950 kugonio ucio ni okora wikuo and those are the things we are trying to regulate how does the government establish that these companies are for persons with disability most of them igeshia majority of them these companies are not owned by persons with disability they are do me matare wa ona hanini no makahuthira mweke ucio tondu maramenya thirikari it is taking a keen interest for persons with disability.
Thank you muno nido wa gutikira guka raija na guko thank you so much nido wa gutikira guka ucio tu manake muthenya umuthi etagwa James Mwangi ni ward admin wa kuria Komarok na koragwo ari na wathe na na wathe wa kuona thaici no arathina mbere na mathomo make na thaici reka PhD yake areka PhD onare na thina ucio wa kuona gucoka ni wagia mwihoko na ndugwa womiririo weraigwo huritwo kaigwa maisha magutengeretie ni wona ati kindu gia gutorania kana utorania wothe wajagia meciria-ini maku weciria ni ugutofora weciria ndungihota nduri hindi ukahotana njitagwo Njoroge wa Githunji urathi na mbere kuri Inooro TV tugicokereria DJ Covenant ni gutuhe mix imwe coke tukorwo na Gibunja akoragwo arutaga wira kuria thukuru witagwo Tahidi High ni ukorwo na ithuĩ nigetha tukimenye maundu maingi nake mamwigie tugikungwira iheo citu thina mbere na kuri Inooro TV.